You know, the thing about buying a $700 camera is you suddenly have to pay for it. Which means you're not going to be spending money on pleasure items like, say, a Nintendo Switch. Which I kind of want, because I want to play that one game everyone else has played, and there's the only reason to buy the damn thing. But no, I must be responsible. So that's a $300 expense I'm not going to make. What I can do, however, is pay $30 to fix what I've got. I can satiate my Hyrule fever with this. I actually bought this on launch date as an original day one Nintendo Wii. It works, kind of, as long as you don't put a disc in it. So that's what we're going to fix, because you can buy a replacement on Amazon for $27, and that's much easier to digest than $300. So, got our replacement drive. I'll pop that later. And we're just going to shove it in. I know what you're thinking. Do you know how to do this? No, not at all. I do have the internet, though. You can find anything on the internet, including iFixit.com. This is not an ad. I wish it was, or else I would be able to buy a Switch. There are 26 steps of this. Okay, whatever. Do need some special tools. I bought a kit. This was like $8. Comes with an itty bitty brush, I don't know what to call that shape, a couple of tri-wing drivers, a Phillips head, a little a plastic spudger, itty bitty Torx, tiny Torx, a suction cup, and apparently a guitar pick. Now I know what your first question is going to be, and the answer is yes, I have been drinking. So we start off prying off these little decorative tabs because, heaven forbid, you ever reveal a screw. We're going to go in, find a tri-wing that fits. Ooh, that is snug. Oh, drop my spudger. That is not the one I needed. Yeah, the funny thing is, you can actually find my original video when I bought this thing. All you gotta do is search on YouTube, I wait for Wii, and it's one of the first things that pops up. Alright, now we've gotten that, I can pull this away. And I believe we can just pop out that connector. Maybe. Yay! That's all it is? Okay. More Phillips. This is nice seeing so much Phillips on here. I was worried I'd just be using tri-wing for everything. And this should just lift right up, assuming I forgot something. internals. Tricky. Cool. Alright, so now we have one kaput DVD drive. The new one comes with grommets, which is good. I would hate for it to not to. And now I guess the trick is just lining everything back up. Kind of. Okay, I hope that's secure. Okay. That looks kind of okay. And like a good mechanic, I torque them down once they're all in. And God, these are stripping like nobody's business. So something I just kind of figured out. I was looking at these little circuit boards, noticing that they don't really go to anything, but they are connected to wires that terminate in nothing except for a printed circuit design. And I'm not gonna lie, it took me quite a while to figure out that they are antennas. One is perhaps Wi-Fi, the other is perhaps Bluetooth. And based on the orientation of them, my guess is, well, I'll be honest, I don't have a good guess. Line everything up just right, and that went perfectly. The only thing is you got these little covers for some of these screw holes, and they're literally just pieces of paper with glue on them. Okay, I just got 2 more screws left. They go right in here. I will then cover them back up with little sticky paper. No guarantees, but I'll bring you along for the ride. So this is the moment of truth, answering that burning question that everyone's got on their mind. Did I put the new drive in, or did I just mix them up and put the old one back in? So let's give it a shot. If I can get a Wiimote that has battery in it. Alright, found one. Let's try again. Power on. And click. Okay. Now bearing in mind, this probably hasn't been booted up in 3 years. Oh, ooh, I've got a message. But for now, let's just go with this. I'll find a random GameCube game or Wii game or something. And here goes nothing. Read it. Read it. Read it like it's the one book you're gonna read your whole life. Okay, I feel accomplished as a human being now. So I'm just gonna cut and get right to playing. It was nice talking to you.